You know, the traditional student that you would think would come to class is a pen tester, and that's actually not the case. Most of the students that we get in class range from, I've had product managers, I've had defenders, I've had legal people in the class, really interesting, managers, procurement people, and everybody has their own reason, right? So if you ask a pen test student, they really want to know how to do pen testing. If you ask a defender, they want to know why is it that, or how is it that the pen test team is doing their work so that I know how to build a stronger system, right? Which is great. Because if you don't know how the pen testers, the attackers are working, it's really hard to try to build a defense against them. I've had legal people come in and say, well, I'm sitting in a room and for whatever legal reason, I have to be involved in pen test work, so I've seen that. Procurement people want to know how to buy a good test. Managers are being asked to perform or to obtain a pen test from a company that might do PCI. Maybe they have to do PCI testing or something like that. And so what will happen is they would want to know that they're choosing the right pen test company, and this is a way for them to get an idea for what that looks like. So I've seen all sorts of people do it. They all have their reasons, and what's really great is they're all having fun while learning. So it's a great class for that.